LiveGood 6-pack of premium essential oils. We have lemon, lavender, peppermint, tea tree, frankincense, and an immunity blend of clove, cinnamon, orange, rosemary, and eucalyptus. But today we're going to talk about lemon. So, funny thing, have you ever walked into somebody's house or got in their car and said, nose is kind of, it doesn't smell the greatest. It's not like foul, but it could use some cleaning up, some fresher scent, right? Well, guess what? If you come into my house, or if you've ever been into a house that has that fresh aroma, it's inviting, it's warm, it's probably, somebody's in there probably diffusing an essential oil. If you come in my house, my wife is always diffusing something, usually lemon, because when you walk in, it's fresh, it's inviting, it's soothing. And we're certainly not using any of the artificial fragrance of the plug-ins and such and those different things, because they're quite frankly just not good for our health. But the LiveGood essential oil, it's pure, it's unadulterated, it's natural, it's good for you, and it's pleasant. You've got to try to diffuse in your house. I promise you, you will not be disappointed, and neither will your guests.